Hi, if you just completed my Fire Chakra Vinyasa yoga tutorial, you deserve a healthy, tasty meal. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy chickpea curry recipe. According to yoga philosophy, it can help open and balance your solar plexus. So we're going to be using chickpeas, of course. I'm using carrots, mushrooms, and spinach. Lots of spices, including ginger, turmeric, garam masala, sea salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. It is the fire chakra after all. Tomato paste, onion, garlic, and organic virgin coconut oil. So all I'm going to do is put the coconut oil in the pan, turn the pan onto medium heat, and I'm going to combine all these ingredients for about 30 minutes. It's going to be really tasty and really healthy and nourishing for your solar plexus and for your whole body. And voila, there we have it. A quick and easy, healthy recipe to open and balance your solar plexus and nourish your whole body. So we have chickpeas, a great source of protein, mushrooms, a great source of zinc, carrots and spinach for antioxidants and all kinds of vitamins and minerals, turmeric for anti-inflammatory properties, as well as ginger and black pepper help decrease inflammation. We have sea salt, which has trace minerals, nothing but good stuff, gluten-free and vegan. And we'll see how it tastes. I think it tastes delicious. I hope you do too. If you like this recipe or if you didn't, please let me know in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. And please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with anyone who's looking for a gluten-free, vegan recipe or who wants to balance their solar plexus. Bon appetit!